Hi everybody, welcome back to Skelwith Fold. First of all, we're looking forward to having you all back with us. Now you haven't been able to use your holiday homes for a while, so we're making this video to show you a few things that we recommend that you do when you arrive back at your van. Now the reason for this is there's the potential of build-up of bacteria in the pipes whilst you've been away. First of all, open your caravan up as normal. Make sure your taps are turned off on the inside before you open the main tap outside. Turn your gas on and then fire up your boiler. So now for our tips. First of all, create some ventilation. Open the windows and open the doors. Next on the list is taps. Run all your taps hot and cold for a couple of minutes. Now don't forget your outside tap. And those of you who've got a tap in your fridge, run that for me as well. For the toilet, close the lid and flush a couple of times. The shower is a little bit different. We recommend you take the shower head off and place this in 1 part bleach, 3 part water. Whilst that's soaking, run the shower for a couple of minutes on hot and on cold. We also recommend that you rinse the kettle, fill it to the max and boil it. Once it's boiled, throw that water away. If you have a washing machine or a dishwasher, run these on a full cycle. Now if you have to leave in a hurry, please be cautious of the items in your freezer. You may know about the ice cube trick. Those are all our tips for your return. Now don't forget, it is now a government requirement that you let us know before you arrive at your holiday home. We need to know when you're arriving, how long you'll be with us for, and who will be with you. Email cv19@skelwith.com. As always, if you have any questions, any problems, contact us at info@skelwith.com.